Introduction to WordPress. WordPress is an open source content management system. It allows users to build dynamic websites and blogs. It is popular for blogging system on the web, allow updating, customizing, managing the website from its backend and components. What is CMS? The content management system is a software which stores all the data such as photo, text, music, documents, and is made available on your website. It helps in editing, publishing, and modifying the content of the website. WordPress was initially released in May 2003 by Matt Monk and Mike Little. WordPress was announced as open source in October 2009. Features of WordPress. User management. It allows user information such as changing the role of user. You can change the role of user to subscriber, contributor, editor, or administrator. The main role of the user manager is authentication. Media management. It is a tool for managing the media files folders in which you can easily upload, organize, and manage the media files on your website. Theme system. It allows modifying the site view functionality. It includes images, style sheet, templates file, and custom pages. Extend with plugins. Several plugins are available which provides custom functionality and feature according to the user need. Search engine optimization. It provides several search engine optimization tools which makes on-site SEO simple, multilingual. It allows translating the entire content into the language preferred by user. Importer. It allows importing data in the form of posts. It imports custom files, comments, posts, pages, and tags. Advantage. It is an open source platform and available for free. CSS file can be modified according to the design as per user needed. Plugins and templates are available for free. Media files can be uploaded easily and quickly. It offers several SEO tools which make on-site SEO simple. Customization is easy according to the user need. It allows creating different rules for user for websites such as admin, author, editor, and contributor. Disadvantage. Using several plugins can make website heavy to load and run. It may affect the loading of website. PHP knowledge is required to make modification and changes in the WordPress website. Sometimes software needs to be updated to keep the WordPress updated with the current browser and mobile devices. Updating WordPress version leads to the last update, so a backup copy of a website is required. Modification and formatting the graphics, image, and a table is difficult. System requirement for WordPress. Database. It requires MySQL database with a version higher than 5. Web server. It needs a web server to install it on a local like Wang for Windows, LAMP for Linux, XAMPP for multi-platform, and MEM for Macintosh. Operating system. It is a cross-platform browser. It is supported by Internet Explorer, Firefox, Google Chrome, Safari, and Opera. PHP compatibility. It requires a minimum version of PHP 5.2. Download WordPress. The following is the official website of WordPress.org. You can download the WordPress from www.wordpress.org.downloads.